Kopere koda weche mag somo en jotend kanisa Kopere oramoni pod girito ler kuom sirkal ewi kaka kanisa Kopere dhi duoko omenda maromo $5.8 mana jotend sirkal ochiwo e kanisa Katolik ma Soweto. Kotelnegi koda Bishop Philip Anyolo giwacho ni pesano mane jatend piny William Ruto kod jotelo mamoko golo motelo ne dwe ni ok en omenda ma kanisa no orwako. Gimedo ni ok gibiro rwako omenda moro amora kowuok kuom josiasa ka ok ging'eyo ler kama omenda ma kamago owuokie.
What we said we have done. It remains on the part of the government to commend what we have not done. And then we know what we have not done so that we do. But we were ready and willing and we returned everything that we are supposed to do. And second, I don't want to discuss things that the president has said in the public like this because he has said already. And I don't want to be like, I'm not a politician. I'm not a politician, yeah? You know that. Me, I talk from a spiritual point of view, I'm a shepherd. Yes. I'm a shepherd. So I don't want to argue about what the president says. I said what the politicians have said about us. No, we just leave them and we have a way of handling the matters with them together as we did. And we continue. Because it's not the first time we are doing it. We have ever done it.
Jalup jatend piny machon mar piny Seychelles, Vincent Meriton, olando weyo wuodh laro kom AUC, kakoro wacho ni osiro Raila Odinga e yudo komno. Owacho ni kaluwore kod chal mar ngima